Hi, this is Steve Castle with Castle Real Estate Group with the July monthly market update. In this update, we're going to discuss the current state of the market, as well as the current interest rate environment, and things to be on the lookout for in the upcoming month. We're officially in month 4 of the pandemic here in the United States, and in Arizona specifically, we continue to see a spread in the virus and lots of uncertainty around whether businesses are going to be opened and closed. And lots of questions result from that in terms of how is that impacting the real estate market. While I'm not sure what the long-term impact of the virus is going to be on the Arizona real estate market, one thing's for certain. In the short term, I don't really see things changing, and here's why. We're currently sitting at about 8,500 active listings, which is down almost 2,000 listings from this time last month. The median sale price here in the Valley is about $310,000, up from $296,000 last month. And we're currently sitting at 53 days worth of inventory, which equates to about a 1.4 month supply. Last month at this time, we were sitting at about 2.1 months supply. This week, the average interest rate for a 30-year mortgage here in the States fell below 3% for the first time in over 50 years. Low interest rates, combined with the fact that rents continue to increase here in Arizona, has caused many buyers that had previously not considered purchasing a home or were sitting on the sidelines to jump into the market. The second factor is there's a housing shortage here in Phoenix, not only for purchase business, but also on the rental side, especially as it relates to single-family homes. This demand, both on the sale side and rental side, has continued to keep prices strong and rents increasing. The third factor is one that not too many people are speaking about, and that's the fact that our market's a little bit frozen here. And what I mean by that is there's many clients that we have that might like to move up to a bigger house or maybe down to a smaller house that feel a little stuck because they need the equity out of their current residence, but with the low inventory and competitive offers on that side of things, they can't find a new home to move to, and thus they're reluctant to put their current residence on the market for sale. If you're looking into the future and trying to predict where the market might land, here's a few things to keep an eye on in the coming months. The end of July is going to bring with it the end of the extended unemployment benefits. As those benefits lapse, it will be interesting to see if there's any impact on the market as it relates to people not being able to pay their current mortgages. Second, Governor Ducey just extended the moratorium on evictions for folks that are currently renting properties. How that plays out will be interesting to see, as landlords that may have considered selling once the current tenants either were evicted or got caught up now have to sit on the sidelines a little bit longer to see how this plays out. Third, let's keep an eye on jobless claims. This week, jobless claims rose after weeks in a row of steady decline. If that trend continues, likely there may be some impact on the market down the road. Finally, we've got to watch what's going on with the virus. As virus cases continue to spike here in Arizona, it's hard to understand what that might mean for the real economy. Hopefully, sooner than later, we will get good news about a vaccine or cases declining. The sooner that gets solved, the more certainty we can have in the economy and the housing market as we continue to move forward. All in all, it looks like we're going to have a very strong real estate market here in Arizona for quite some time. But that said, we're continuing to monitor both the obvious and less obvious things that might impact the market, and we'll keep you up to date on any trends or things that we see happening that might indicate where we're headed. If you have any questions, want to run a specific scenario by us, or you just want to talk houses, please reach out. We'd love to hear from you. I just said exactly that. That's
yeah,
literally
I literally wasn't actually paying attention to what you were saying.
That hurts, man. I thought everyone paid attention when I talked. Now I know the truth.